na yun.
Ay! Ay! Picture naman ko na ko.
Love, mantika.
There is
3.
number 3.
Ay, there. 2 na. 2 na. Yeah. 2. No, there 3.
Number 3.
3 ka ba ko talaga? 1, 2, 3. Kulangan pag 2.
Dali.
Tuwad mo na yung kangaroo. Oh. Parang mo. Dia. Dia. Okay.
Mauna ni.
Muna na. Dari 4 na po. Dari ka po.
Kasi lagi niyo first.
Nani ate.
Iapil ya kay kulangan unya.
Gamay pa ko.
Ina 1, 2, 3, 4. Tarong mo horse. Ay, tuwad mo na. Kana. Next.
Uy!
Sa dog na. Tuwad. Patindog. Wala ka na. It's okay. Okay, next. Kailangan pa there 1.
Tere?
Oh, hindi na kayo. Tanawa sa promise among chicken, oh. Sunod, pila ka buok?
Pig.
Pila ka buok sunod? How many animals should we put in this area? How many animals?
5.
5. Very good. What animal is that?
Pig.
Very good. It's a pig.
No. Okay.
Just put a little paste. What is this? Do you know what animal is, what insect is this?
Ants. Ants?
No. It's a praying mantis. No, it's a mantis. Say mantis.
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 Very good.
Nanguha man ang kuya ma.
Just put a little paste or glue. Just put a little. Not too much. Okay, it's gonna be messy. What's that? What is that?
Lion.
This one.
Robin.
Very good. How about that one? What's that?
Lion.
It's a lion. So, what's the sound of the lion? What? Rawr. Like a really loud roar.
Bugs.
Bug. Ladybug.
Ladybug.
Say ladybug.
Ladybug. Ladybug.
How many? Is it already complete? Is it complete na? May let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. How about this one? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Good job. How about this one?
1, 2, 3, 4,
1,
1,
2.
2,
How about this one?
1.
Okay. So what's missing in here?
One
No! Enough! Okay, what's missing in here? You have to write your name, Amelia.
Dara day. Ako na siyang gisulatan din kay
Sige. Na she knows how to write her name naman. Amelia, Dairon. Ato sa ning Ana. Uy. Ana. Okay.
sige.
A.
Sa ubos.
Red line.
Sa ubos ra.
Sa M. Diha. M.
Sunda tong kuan.
Ani?
Oh, kana.
Nako.
Sige, M. Sige.
Anak?
Yes.
Dungagi.
One more. Okay. Letter E. Next, letter E.
Ano dungagi?
Kani?
Oo.
Unsa unang E?
That one.
Ana ra siya. Ana, ding ana.
Oh.
Sige. Sa ubos gamay. Ana. Sige,
Ana?
babaw.
Taas.
Sa taas.
Oh, then naog silong. Naog. Very good, Amelia. Itapot. Good job. Letter L.
Sunda to.
L. That one.
Taas.
I. Ang I magsugod sa red line. Red line lang I. Yeah. Good job. Dot. Letter A. Circle. Ikog.
Sige.
Okay, good job. Nya si Rose ni mo.
Kani?
Oh.
Sulat siya ito kaya maana pa siya nakati.
R.
Lanta pa siya na.
Good. O.
Okay.
S. Like this. Okay, sige. Letter E. Like this. Taas. Back silong. Naog. Okay, good job. Kanara usa. Di naman kaigo. Okay, up here. Okay, good. Next.
Isa.
Ah,